In this video, we will be talking about the first and a very important part of UX, which is research. Research in UX is like investigating. It's important to understand what users like, what they find confusing, and what their problems are to craft a better experience. We can divide research into three main categories. They are audit, interviews, and testing. Today, we will start by understanding audit. We will be learning about what, where, and when to use interviews and testing methods later. Let's start by understanding what audit is. An audit is like a thorough check or examination done by experts to make sure things are right, accurate, and following the rules. It's a way to make sure that everything is working well and nothing is being missed or done incorrectly. And now, coming to the further divisions of audit, audit can be used for many instances and should ideally be done for every product or problem you would be designing for. Let's take an example for an old or existing product. Let's say you have to improve the Instagram's UX. When a company approaches you with this, they aren't expecting you to redesign everything from scratch. There are a few problems with every application that need to be solved with design. In these situations, you start by understanding the context. You try to understand why a feature has to be changed, what were the customer reviews, and you will also look into a few other similar apps to see how they are able to solve this particular problem better. This gives you an idea to improve and solve the problem through design. Second is domain understanding. Let's say you are supposed to design a biomedical application that is to be built on blockchain. You cannot directly design an application without understanding the underlying technology. Therefore, you must refer to research papers to understand the particular biomedical domain as well as blockchain. We must have a basic understanding of the domain before we proceed any further. Next is understanding the user. As we know, user is the king in UX. So we must be very well versed with the user needs, goals, challenges, and also empathize with the user to understand them better. Lastly, we have the novel product. During the 1990s, Apple came up with the idea of launching the iPods. During that time, people relied on Walkman and CD players, with a few companies also trying to launch portable MP3 players. In such a situation, to launch a novel product like iPod, you should have to know how people are listening to music. Is there any new research that has been made, but there is no commercial product for it yet? So all of this helps to give a background of the problem you're trying to solve, the users you're catering to, etc. So this is all about audit. In the next upcoming videos, we will be learning how to conduct an audit. Thank you.